Okay, here we have a just flushed Kohler toilet. Just flushed a minute ago. And this is really amazing, this toilet of ours. There, just flushed automatically on its own again. So that's about every 13, 14 seconds. This thing is flushing all on its own. This is a Kohler Cimmaron. And the Kohler Cimmaron has a automatic flushing system. And what that automatic flushing system does on your Kohler Cimmaron is it detects motion. And that motion detector obviously triggers a little motor inside that makes the thing go off. Here we are 38 seconds in, we flushed twice, and we're 41 seconds. We're probably going to flush again in the next 7, 8, 10 seconds, somewhere around there, just depending on how fast the toilet fills. This Kohler Cimmaron was $400 at Home Depot, and it's of course just flushed again completely on its own. The neat thing about this is we know why it flushes on its own, and there's a valve back at the back there that obviously you shut your toilet on and off with. And now that it just flushed all on its own, actually I'm going to let it flush again all on its own here, but now that it's just flushed, Kohler has asked me to turn down the pressure into the tank. I've done that. The valve is, we've tried the valve open, we've tried it closed, we've tried it barely running, that sort of thing. And what we're seeing on this as we move into the tank area here is that the top of the tank's going to be wet. This area right here. So you see all the water that's dripping down off the top of this tank? Kohler's put a fairly massive flush valve in here. And when this flush valve pops open in the flush cycle, you can see the water splashing around when it flushes. That water lands on the inside of the tank, and when the water lands on the inside of the tank, it drips down on the inside of the tank lid around the sensor, and it makes the toilet flush automatically. I'm going to design probably a cure for this problem toilet. But I just wanted Kohler to see in a little 3-minute video about their Kohler Cimmaron with the automatic flushing system, what an incredible waste of water this is, and how incredibly difficult this has been to deal with. We may just eventually have to get rid of this $400 toilet.